Hi, I'm Steve Canton with SJC Boxing. Welcome to the Worth the Fight extravaganza here at the Broadway Palm Theater. Looking forward to a great evening tonight. Thank you.
Old Coast, Gulf Coast Coin and Jewelry, Mike Joyce, Target Builders, Felix Mallyspeen, and our sponsors and all the great people. Tonight is possible, and the great job that they're doing here at Broadway Palm Theater. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out tonight because it's a great event. Great to see everybody. And thank you, my wife Beth, for the job she's done, especially Carla, running the mentorship program, Felix, and the job that SJC Boxing team, which is right here, enjoying tonight with us. Thanks for being here. I'd like to say a special thank you to Jim Jett, our photographer. He was sent over here by Mike Joyce from Gulf Coast Coin and Jewelry.
Video.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Mayor Kevin Anderson and Krista for being here. They have been a supporter of SJC Boxing for many, many years. Our gym, we have some big events coming up. March 6th, to put on the calendar, will be our gala dinner, annual gala dinner at the Collaboratory. March 21, Saturday, we will be celebrating 57 years in business. Wow. That is the oldest continuously open boxing gym in history in the world. Wow. 37 years in Fort Myers, 57 years altogether. We will have a big celebration at the gym. We will have fighters and people from all over the world flying in here for that. And in conjunction with the event, we'll have a sanctioned USA amateur boxing show outside under a tent in the parking lot with all the SJC Boxing team members fighting on that event. So that's going to be a great day. We just finished January 3rd, Saturday past, with the announcement of the class of 2026 Boxing Hall of Fame. That induction weekend is set for June 5, 6, and 7 in St. Petersburg. So we're looking forward for the rest of this time. And right now, are you ready for the movie? Yes. I will tell you briefly about the movie now, and we're going to have some fun afterwards with a meet and greet. But this movie, done by John Bafar. Stand up, John. John is a 9-time Emmy Award winner, a very great friend to everybody. He did a phenomenal job. This movie made the first place Fort Myers Film Festival. First place, Milan, Italy Film Festival. Signed with BMG Global Distributing. You can watch it now on Amazon Prime, Apple TV, and 9 other platforms, including YouTube. And it is on the list for consideration for an Academy Award. It made the list to be considered. And we will see the movie tonight, right now, ready to go, if I can get this thing working.
I set my mind into being a boxer because I'm a fighter. All my life I've been fighting everything. You know, being a legal immigrant, going through school, fighting all the odds against me.
I don't know if it's because I wanted to be like Mike Tyson. I don't know if it's because I related to him a lot, or if I wanted to be a world champion, because when I came in here I was afraid. I've always been afraid of life, everything. I've always been nervous and anxious.
I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here tonight, watching the movie. If you get a chance, go back, watch it again, and then when you do, rate it. You know, give it a thumbs up or whatever. It's on YouTube, it's on Amazon Prime, it's on Apple TV, it's on several platforms. You can Google it and find it everywhere. So we're very happy about that. I'd like to thank, and come on up here, Felix, Carla, come on up, our trainers from SJC.